Well, here I am again, doing another vid for y'all. Nice fucking Santa suit. Anyway, doing a vid for my subscribers. They thought I should make a Christmas video. So I'm just letting them know that Santa Claus did come fucking early for me. Look at the big ass nice little tree, got some good gifts under there. And yeah, he did. So I want to show y'all what he got me. Holy shit, let's cut the light on. Damn. Can we clear that up a little bit? Yeah. Yeah. That fucking bastard hooked me up. Yeah, I did call him a bastard because I never see his fucking daddy or nobody. Never hear anybody talk about him, but anyway. Yeah, he did hook me the fuck up. Look at all this shit. Give me a fucking African fucking Bushido blade. Yeah, cut some shit with that. Gave me a nice fat ass fucking Glock with extended fucking clip. Fucking big ass 44 Magnum. This big ass fucking AR fucking rifle. I mean, what the fuck? M6, wherever the fuck it is. Whew. Now look at these fucking, he gave me clips. He knew I don't play no fucking games. He know it. He know it. You know what I'm saying? You know, I got a witness to let you motherfuckers know that I'm not playing games this Christmas. Tell him, Charlie, I ain't playing no fucking games. Wait a minute, how the fuck did you get under this damn chair? Well, anyway. Nice big ass Christmas. Ooh, shit.